Here's how you can make money as a virtual assistant. If you search on freelancing platforms like Fiverr, you'll find thousands of listings in various languages. Some charge as little as $5, while others earn significantly more depending on their skills, experience, and services offered. As a virtual assistant, you'll handle tasks like data entry, research, collecting contact details, and administrative support. Your job is to save individuals or businesses time by managing emails, scheduling meetings, booking travel, maintaining records, organizing calendars, and more. The more responsibilities you take on, the more you can charge. Getting your first client is the hardest part since you don't have experience or testimonials. While you can set up a gig on Fiverr, competition is high. Platforms like BillerSolutions.com connect you with clients directly, acting as a middleman. They offer services beyond virtual assistants, such as accounting and website management. However, they primarily hire US-based workers. Another option is FancyHands.com, which also hires US-based assistants. Tasks include making phone calls, scheduling appointments, price comparisons, hotel searches, and data entry. You'll need strong communication skills, a computer, and reliable internet. Pay starts around $3, $4 per task and is issued weekly. You can set your own hours. PeoplePerHour.com is another freelancing site with less competition than Fiverr. You can offer various services or apply directly to jobs. To increase your chances of success, join multiple freelancing websites: Upwork, Freelancer, Sprout Gigs, and more. You can also reach out to businesses directly through platforms like Google Maps. Offer your services and explain how you can help save them time. Alternatively, microtask sites like Remotasks, Microworkers, and Sprout Gigs offer quick, paid tasks that are similar to virtual assistant work. For a more scalable approach, consider drop servicing, offering virtual assistant services but outsourcing the actual work to other freelancers. You act as the middleman, keeping a profit margin. As your business grows, you can build a team and increase earnings. Virtual assistants can earn around $37,000 annually on average, with experienced ones making up to $55,000 or more. This income can be especially impactful depending on your country's cost of living. Whether you do this part-time or build an agency, the opportunity is there. It's all about taking the first step. Now, if you want to increase your income without taking on another job that drains you, there's a better way. It's called high-ticket digital marketing, and it's making ordinary people a full-time income within 1 year of starting. I took a 5-day video course to learn these skills and get my business set up within a week. If you're sick of working too much and still being broke, this could completely change your life. Click the link in the description to get started.